To find the Safety Center application on your iPhone or Android device, go to either the App Store or Google Play, and in the search box you can use Dude Solutions or you can use Safety Center. You should see the application listed with the blue icon with the white and red life buoy. Once you download that and install it, open the application, and next we will need to add the SCC Crisis Action Guide to the Safety Center. In the top right hand corner, you'll click on the plus button. In the search box, you'll type in SCCNC as the search term, or you can use Southwestern Community College and search. Once you do that, you will see a couple of items listed. Pick the Crisis Action Guide as the document. Once you do that, you'll see it listed in your Safety Center main menu. At that point, you can launch the application and you will see the Crisis Action Guide listed. The Crisis Action Guide has several features in it. These are meant to mirror the Crisis Action Guide you'll see across the college and classrooms in different common areas. Each of the icons can be selected and opened. Once you open them, you'll see valuable information listed relative to that type of action that may need to be taken. Some of them will give phone numbers that you can contact in case of an emergency based on the location that you're at the college. Some of them will take you to an external site, such as the Student Behavioral Concern will take you and let you report through Maxient. At the bottom of the screen is a exclamation point and a triangle. It is the panic screen button, and that will let you directly dial 911 or the respective campus resource officer or information center depending on your location. Some of the applications will also let you do a report, such as suspicious behavior will give you numbers to call. Also in the top right hand corner you'll see an exclamation point and a red square. On iPhone it'll be in the bottom right hand corner on Android, and this will let you submit a suspicious behavior, which will also let you include photos or videos that you have shot. If you have any questions regarding the Safety Center application, you can contact the College Help Desk at 828-339-4409, or you can send it to support@southwesterncc.edu.